Every 3 years, an extraordinary event takes place in this country. It's the Climb to the Clouds, the oldest auto racing hill climb in the United States. It's also the most dangerous and technical hill climb in the country. The Climb to the Clouds on Mount Washington has been pushing man, woman, and machines to the edge of their limits since 1903. Pushing speeds to the limit will never ever change. Every year, if it has wheels on it, records will be broken. There's an attraction about Mount Washington that's easy to explain. Known as the most dangerous small mountain in the world, it's the highest peak in the northeastern United States. Mount Washington, with an elevation of 6,288 feet, has held the world record for the fastest wind gusts ever recorded on Earth, 231 miles an hour, and a recorded low temperature of minus 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Built on what the locals call the ROCKPILE, the road to the top is a little over 7.5 miles long, both tarmac and dirt. It's 16 feet wide, relentless curves camber, and has sheer drop-offs on each side. No guardrails, no hay bales, no nothing. Just a white knuckle factory of courage, confidence, and skill. Especially when you are in an 860 horsepower ice rocket achieving speeds of 140 miles an hour plus. The average time to reach the summit in a recreational vehicle is 30 to 45 minutes. That time recently was cut to 5 minutes and 28 seconds. There are 2 days of practice, Friday and Saturday, where the drivers try and memorize the course, and the teams make final adjustments to their cars. 80 cars of all types gathered for the big race up the mountain on Sunday. Spectators stream in for the incredible event that combines man, machine, and mountain. Every once in a while, a racer comes along in the world of motorsports that is head and shoulders above the rest. Drivers such as Mario Andretti, Richard Petty, Jackie Stewart, Dale Earnhardt, Ken Miles, Lewis Hamilton, just to name a few. And now you can add driver Travis Pastrana to that list. In what is probably the most difficult blend of skill, focus, and courage, this particular race, as Travis puts it, is probably the toughest road to drive flat out in the world. Wicked Yankee Adventures was there to capture the smashing of a world record. Congratulations, Travis Pastrana, Subaru and Vermont sports car, for building and driving the fastest car ever to go up Mount Washington Auto Road, the most challenging, difficult, and dangerous hill climb in the country, the climb to the clouds.
Yeah, man.